So y'all, I got a new chalkboard marker from Dollar Tree. Now I get to have 3 colors instead of just the 2, and it is time to redo this. It has been on here for a hot minute. Had to go and get like water on the rag because like I said, this has been on here for a hot minute, but I think it's doing the job like pretty good. Alright, this side is done. I think it looks pretty good, but I'm feeling like super productive tonight, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this side too. Be back. Okay, so both sides are clean, looking so pretty. I don't remember where I got this at. I think it was like Dollar General or something, but really excited to try out this new one. I mean, look at the pink. She's so cutie. At first I was like, I'm gonna totally do like something cute and funny, and now I'm just like, I want all of the retro vibes that I can get. I've really been feeling retro here lately. Don't know what that's about, but I'm trying to do like a disco ball. That's disco-y, right? Right? I'll do better. I'll add white. Yo, this has been the most insane week. Like, I have been trying so hard. I don't really like how that looks. Go off. I have been trying so hard to like stay positive and be thankful that I am making money off content creation and just doing like my absolute best. Of course my white is gonna be bougie. Hang on. Like, literally have been trying to do my absolute best, right? But for some reason this week, y'all, like, I just cannot get it together. It's like every little thing is bothering me. Do y'all have those weeks? Like, no matter what you do, you're just gonna be bothered. It's kind of cute, right? Kind of cute. I don't know why I'm getting on here. Like, I have a whole TED Talk. But anyways, if you have weeks like that, let me know so that I don't feel so alone in the process, because it has been a week. And y'all, we are only on midweek. Like, literally. Not even done. And does anybody else's brain think in the middle of the night, like, I could build an entire country from the ground up? And then your body is like, yeah, I dare you to get out of bed. Like, I will quit if you don't. Anyways, y'all, like I was saying, like, it has been a week. And I don't really know how to get my brain, like, out of the funk. That is so not you. Hang on. Apparently, I had to, like, get off a video to be able to get my life together. But anyways, yeah, like, is anybody else experiencing that this week, or just me? Completely told myself that, like, it wasn't gonna be the worst thing in the entire world to go for my doctorate, because, like, I already have my master's. How hard could it be, right? Was I wrong? Like, the most wrong. You can tell those are glasses, right? Like, they cute. Kind of, sort of. Say yes to make me feel better. Anyways, literally, y'all, not even kidding when I tell you that I want to, like, quit everything in my entire life and move away to a remote island. I'm so serious. And it's like all of my friends, like, outside of this app, I'm talking about like the people that know me in real life, they're like, hey, what's going on? You're so quiet these days. What's up? And I'm like, I don't know how to explain that, like, my shirt is itchy and the wind is blowing hard. Like, I'm just overstimulated. And I don't want to be, like, I'm overstimulated. I just need a minute. Because I don't want them to think that I'm, like, upset with them. Does that make sense? Now that I see this lettering with, like, the vision that I had and doing all of the lines and stuff, I'm kind of rethinking it. Like, maybe this wasn't the best idea, but anywho, we'll keep going. Literally saw this girl on my For You page, and she was like, just trust the process. And I'm like, I hope so, babe. In, like, worst case scenario, I can always just not like this side and flip it over and redo, right? I had that last sign up for like months on end to remind me of that Romans 8:28 scripture. And, like, I looked at it today and I'm like, it's literally October. Like, I put that sign up almost a year ago. I need to redo it. So, What do we think? Kind of cutesy, kind of not. What do we think? So now we're on to the blank canvas side. And I think I'm just going to surprise y'all. Okay, this was my idea for the back. And I think I'm going to hang this one on my door first. And then whenever I get tired of seeing this, we'll just flip her around and try to stay cool, dude. Bye.